Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to see about dictionary in Python. Dictionary is an unordered collection of data in Python where each element is a key value pair. Let's create a dictionary. We have to use this curly braces. This is the key followed by the value. Let's add few more keys. So here the keys, whatever we are assigning, need not be in the same order. So that's why we are calling is an unordered collection. We'll print this dictionary. Yeah. Now let's see how to add a new key or update the existing key. So to create a new key, we have to add my dict of the key name. Let's say country. So this is how we can add a key. If we want to modify the existing key, right? So let's say I have to modify this city. I'll modify to Mumbai. Yeah, the dictionary has been modified. If I want to access a particular element in the dictionary, we can use via the key. My dict of, let's say I have to access only the city. You can give like this. So if we want to get all the keys in dictionary, we have a function called mydict.keys. This will return the values in form of a list. Similarly, mydict.values. Let's say we have to loop over the dictionary. For that, we have to do for key comma value in mydict.items. This items will return both key and value. Okay, now we have seen how to access the dictionary via keys, values, and with both the keys and values. So let's see how to remove an item. We have to use del of mydict of age. Print the dictionary. It has been removed the age. There is one more method called pop to remove an item. Pop of city. So this will return the value of the particular key and also it will remove the key. So we have seen how to remove the element. So next is for key data type, there is a restriction that the key value cannot be repeated. So let's say I have used a city here, I cannot create one more city. And one more thing is the key data type has to be immutable data type like strings, numbers and tuples. Let's say I use mutable data type list, it will show an error. We'll create a sample dictionary and see. I am creating list as the key value. Okay. Now we'll see this. Sorry, I have used an invalid. So this is the curly braces we have to use for the dictionary. So you can see the error, unhashable type. So it won't accept the mutable data types. If we want to clear the dictionary, right, we have a function called mydict.clear. It would have removed the entire dictionary. Yeah. So the use of dictionary is if you want to do a data lookup, right? Let's say you want to maintain a phone book like particular contact and what is the phone number, address, everything. You can use this form of data structure. And also if you want to generate a complex data structure, like let's say you want to create dictionary of dictionary. So for example, Akanksha. And the skills. So skills, we can create again a dictionary of dictionary. IT, what is how much good or bad? Networking. So in this way you can create dictionary of dictionary to maintain your data. So in this video we have seen about dictionary, how to insert an element, remove an element, access the element, and what is the use of dictionary. So hope you had a good learning in this video. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.